Hello, it's me, and this is my movie. My movie. I don't know what to call it, but okay. And okay. Look, this is my yeah. Okay, this is my sister and her foot. Scary foot. And that's her. And she's eating a sandwich, and then something's happening. Oh my gosh, what's it? Stop it! And something's happening. Oh my gosh, something's happening. Everything's blank. Oh gosh, everything's blank. And now we're being stuck through a time vortex. Now it's nothing. Where'd I go? Oh my gosh, where'd I go? Oh my gosh, roast beef! Roast beef and good. Oh my gosh, what the heck is that thing? What the heck is that thing? Right there. Right there. See it? Look at its face. It's hideous. Oh, that's just nasty. Ow, 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 ow! My tail broke it. It's broken. Oh my gosh. Look at that. Looks like we're in this land. And we're on this ship. And we have no idea where we're going. And oh my gosh, it's turning around. Oh my gosh, it's a hideous monster again, run! I'm back to the ship. Okay.